Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in an MGS5, and in this video I'm going to test the headlights. So we are now at the end of May, and we've been raining a lot lately, and also the days are so long that there's very limited time for how long I can test the headlights when it's completely dark. See, now it is actually not completely dark, slight daylight outside even, but okay, this is usually the darkest we can get it now. Let's try it. Boom! Ooh! So if you guys don't know, MG is Chinese, you know, it's under SAIC, and in general Chinese cars, they don't have that great headlights, but this is good. Wow, this is at least better than the average Chinese car. I would say roughly on par with many German cars or European cars. But okay, there is no adaptive stuff here. They don't turn in the curves. I'll show you here. See, it's quite stiff. But they have good spread. Also fairly good strength. Many Chinese cars, they have somewhat weak headlights. Or especially high beam, it's usually concentrated in the middle only. But here you get, wow, you get nice spread. You can see the bushes light up when I use the high beam. This on the right side, but I think also the left side now. Yeah, look at that. Huh? Not too bad. But this is, yeah, I forgot to mention, this is the luxury trim. The top trim. Oh, speaking of, okay, I don't know if you saw, I saw that, but that was my bag. Yeah. That was a deer by the road. Almost didn't see it in time. I was just focusing on something else, but yeah, I don't know if there's any different headlights on the lower trim. I suppose they're the same. So when I saw on the equipment list, there was something, I mean, there was something else, you know, like 360 camera, some synthetic leather, stuff like that. So yeah, you probably get the same headlights also in the low trim. But let's see. There are usually lots of deers around here in this stretch, so perfect for my headlight test, right? You can see wildlife. But let me see, where is the farm inspect? No, it's not yet. But yeah, really good. But I feel like the spread and the strength is not as good as the best I've seen, but still way above average. You can see here, okay, here's the farm. Yeah, we're gonna wake them up. Okay, let me just place it roughly here. Maybe I can point more towards the bush there, the tree there. Let's see. Okay, it still has slight concentration towards the middle, but good spread also on the side, and also goes fairly high up. Let me see further ahead now. We can, yeah, there we'll have trees on both sides of the road. Roughly here, I think. Yeah, here, this is a good stretch. There you can see how it lights up on the trees also, which is very useful when you go on twisty roads, and also some roller coaster roads, which we have, yeah, many places. So yeah, this is the, yeah, let me just show you here. You see there? Yeah, wildlife. Oh, it did the hazard light. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Does it go away automatically? No. That's great. Oh, there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Oh, that's good. Yeah. So it has that feature. So it detects hard enough braking and puts on the hazard lights. Well, I saw more wildlife to the right there. Yeah, kind of hard for you guys to see. But yeah, I mean, if I can see wildlife with these headlights, then they should be good, right? Poor headlights wouldn't be able to help me spot all the animals, but especially around us, left and right, if they'll be running quickly towards us. Yeah. So yeah, this test is actually somewhat important for many people, because you want to know if you have good lights or not, whether you want LED bar or not. But here, I mean, if you drive a lot in these dark roads, then I'd still get LED bar. But if you want to save some money, I think you can still live without it. Yeah, it still works great. So yeah, I think that's it, the end of the dark stretch. But I haven't tried the auto high beam on off, you know, how it works. I guess it works like most other cars. Could be blinding oncoming traffic if it's a long straight. But yeah, at least when it comes to the headlight itself, it works really well. So remember that this is a how should I call this? It's an affordable EV in this class. Yeah, 350k NOK for this luxury 64 kilowatt hour. You can get also a smaller battery, then it costs 320k NOK. So for that price, that range, it's pretty good. Yeah. So if I give it score, I'm not sure how much I will give it. Maybe 7 out of 10. But anyway, I think that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.